Hello friends, in this simple and short tutorials, we are going to learn together how to work with sliders in Unity. Hey guys, welcome to Developer Ninja. I'm Reza. Hit that subscribe button and let's build something amazing together. Now we have slider here. For the sake of aesthetics, we'll remove this part of the handler. Here we choose a color for its fill mode. We create an object called slider manager and then add its script to it and open the script. Here we need a UI library to define the slider. We define a slider and set its value in the update section. Here we add our slider to the slider manager. We run the project and as we can see it's working, but the sliders fills up quickly. We can change the speed of filling it. Now we try again and see that the filling speed has slowed down and is much better. Here we can set a condition for it to go to another scene or do something else after the slider is full. More awesome tutorials are on the way. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell.